Hi everybody, welcome back to Phonics with me, Mrs. Sharp. If you're following them in order, then it's Friday and it's time for sound buttons. So let's flip it round and begin. So if you want to start with a warm-up, then you can write down any words that you can see. Ball, fish, water, sea, sun, slide. If you want to write a sentence, I can see the sun, or make up a sentence of your own, then press pause now. Okay, we know what to do by now. Let's raise the roof. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Fantastic. Okay, let's see if you can say the letter name. So this is W. See if you can say the next ones before I do. S. F. M. O. D. Well done. Okay, let's say our sounds. P, P, A, T, T, I, E, S, S, G, G, N, M, K, K, D, D, O, K, K, L, K, K, F, F, L, S, S, V, F, B, J, Z, W, X, Y, Z. Fantastic. Let's move on to our digraphs and trigraphs and we match them up to a picture. As in ring. Ch as in chicken. Th and th as in thumb. Qu as in queen. Sh as in shoe. I as in night. A as in rain. E as in leak. O as in goat. As in book. Oo as in moon. Or as in fork. As in burger. R as in card. I as in coin. Ow as in cow. Ear as in beard. Air as in chair. Year or yaw as in pure. As in rubber. Fantastic. Tricky words, learn them off by heart. See if you can say the words before I do, and they're going to buzz out of the beehive. Go. Into. No. The. I. To. Are. They. He. she, we, was, be, me, my, you, her, all. Okay, they're getting a little bit harder. Come, like, have, out, one, do, little, when, said, what, some, there, were, so. Okay, if you are following the videos in order, on Monday we did your, or your, pure, cure, secure, manure, and we spelt the words and wrote a sentence. On Tuesday we did the air trigraph, hair, fair, pear, and flare. We spelt the words and we read a sentence. On Wednesday we did tower, letter, better, and mermaid. And we wrote a sentence. Thursday we played bingo and practiced tricky words. And today it's Friday. We are going to be doing some sound buttons. So it's up to you how you do this. If you want your grown-ups to write down these words for you, and then you can do it with a pencil at home, then that's a really good way to do it. If not, then you can press pause and the children can touch the screen, telling where a dot and a line would go, or you can just watch me. So if you need to, press pause now. Okay, if we're going to do it together, let's do it. So it's the sounds are the air, the y or your, and the So let's do this one together. It's f for fair. So it's a f. So we put a dot there and we'd underline the air trigraph. So when children are reading it, they can easily see that they just say f, air. Okay, this one's a really hard one. Okay, can you see the trigraph? You're here, but actually it sounds like it should be a sh because it's shaw, but that's a really hard one. But well done if you put a dot and a line here for shaw. Okay, we've got dot for the h, dot for the a. We underline the double sound, the double letter, and we underline the digraph. H, a, m, hammer. Well done. Okay, next one. We should have a dot for the k and a line for the ya. K, ya, kya. Fantastic. Moving on, we have a dot for the p and a line for the air. P, air, pear. Fantastic. So here we've got a dot for the m, a, and the t, and a line for the ya. M, a, ch, ya, matya, mature. Okay, that's a hard one. That trigraph is a really tricky one. Let's see how you did here. We've got a dot for the l and the e, a line for the double T, and a line for the l, e, t, letter. Well done. Moving on to this one. Got a dot for the b, dot for the o, and a dot for the x, and a line for the b, o, x, boxer. Fantastic. And last one, we should have a dot for the f, a dot for the l, and a line for the air. F, l, air, flare. Did you get them right? Well done. I know some grown-ups are struggling with sound buttons, so maybe they might have learnt something. Well done. Okay, if you want to have a go at writing a sentence just to finish off the week, it is going to be, I will drink some pure water. So the words, I will drink some pure water. So 6 words. I is a tricky word. Some is a tricky word. Everything else you can spell, but we know that water, we spell it water. There's a clue. I will drink some pure water. Remember to have a capital letter. We start at the side of our page. We need finger spaces in between each word. And of course, what do we need at the end? A full stop. Press pause now. Okay, so we did this one yesterday. If you're following them in order, it's the months of the year syllable song. So it's a really fun one. We like to cover syllables. Let's wait for it to come up. So you need to type in months of the year syllable song by Jack Hartman. Children, when they know what a syllable is and they can hear syllables in words, it helps them become really good spellers because they can break those words down. So, well done everybody, you have finished a week of phonics. Which one is it? It's this one. Okay, let's flip it round. Are we ready for this? Come on, let's get some laughs, I'll be listening. Knock knock. Who's there? Beats. Beats who? Beats me? Yeah, I think I heard a laugh. I don't know whether it was, so it might have been the wind. Right, thank you for watching. I hope you've all had a really good week. Stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.